coming? No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off. No one's coming to tell you to get out the door and exercise.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Igama lam ndong Azana Jezile. I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, please do turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post. Lastly, please do not skip them ads. Today's video, I'm doing the egg diet. I'm gonna try it for 3 days. I've been seeing a lot of people do this diet. I want to put it to the test. I want to see if it's gonna fast track my weight loss. So yeah, let's see if I'm gonna see any results from this. Just a disclaimer, this is a crash diet. This is not a sustainable way of losing weight over time. This is something that you can do on a short-term basis, not on a long-term basis. As soon as you stop eating this way, you will gain all the weight back. I can assure you of that. So do not use this as a long sustainable way of losing weight, because it is not gonna work for you. For this diet, you're gonna need some eggs, loads and loads of eggs. It is called the egg diet after all. And the next thing that you're gonna need is oats. I opted for this and not instant oats solely because this one has so many healthy benefits for you compared to the instant oats. You are also gonna need some apples. A lot of people use red apples for this diet, but I prefer the golden delicious green apples, so that's what I went for. You're also gonna need some green tea. Personally, I'm not a fan of green tea, so with each and every meal I will have some water or hot water. So it is day 3 of my diet. Now I am gonna have lunch. I didn't have breakfast. I woke up late, so I couldn't have breakfast, but I am gonna have my lunch. I am on day 3 of the egg diet. I just want to give you guys my thoughts. I won't lie, I'm tired of eggs. I love eggs, but no, I'm tired. I'm over it. I cannot wait to eat real food, which is also testimony to what I said earlier on, that this is not a long-term diet. This is not a sustainable way of losing weight. Obviously, you can't live on eggs for the rest of your life, so I miss other foods. Cannot wait for today to end so that I can go back to eating whatever it is that I want. Obviously, I'm still eating healthy, but just having a lot more variety, you know. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.